Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a household essential that promises to make cleaning a breeze, the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. If you've been wondering about its magical cleaning powers, stay tuned because we've got everything you need to know. Let's kick things off with what makes this product stand out. The Mr. Clean Magic Eraser is not just your ordinary cleaning tool. It's the best wall eraser you can find on the market today. Its secret lies in the innovative Durafoam material, which is 5 times stronger than the leading all-purpose bleach spray. Whether it's dirt, scuff marks, or stubborn stains, this eraser tackles them all with just water, no harsh chemicals needed. Now, let's talk about where you can use this versatile cleaning pad. It's not just for walls, although it excels there. You can use it on virtually any surface around your home. From kitchen countertops to bathroom tiles, from cleaning shoes to restoring oven doors, the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser is your go-to solution. It's even gentle enough to use on delicate surfaces like light switches without leaving scratches. I've personally put this product to the test, and let me tell you, the results are impressive. It effortlessly lifts dirt and grime that other cleaners struggle with. Plus, each pad is durable and long-lasting, ensuring you get your money's worth with every use. And speaking of value, the pack comes with 10 cleaning pads, making it a cost-effective choice for keeping your entire home spotless. What sets the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser apart are its unique features. It's designed not just for cleaning but for bringing surfaces back to life. Whether you're preparing your sneakers for a fresh look or giving your bathroom tiles a deep clean, this product delivers. And let's not forget, it's designed with convenience in mind. Simply wet the pad and start erasing. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable and effective cleaning solution that goes beyond the surface, look no further than the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. It's tough on dirt but gentle on your home, ensuring a thorough clean without the hassle. Whether you're a homeowner, renter, or just someone who values a tidy space, this product deserves a spot in your cleaning arsenal. That wraps up today's review on the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased reviews. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.